Ever wondered how to get all your essential nutrients from a vegan diet? It's a question that's on the minds of many, whether you're a seasoned vegan considering the switch or simply curious. The vegan diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes, is often under the microscope scrutinized for its perceived lack of nutrients. But in this video we feel it's time to debunk some myths, and rest assured viewers, all the information we give you has been fact-checked by our qualified dietitian. You see, it's not just about avoiding animal products, it's about embracing the rainbow of plant-based foods on offer. Each one is a powerhouse, packed with different nutrients that our bodies need. Specifically, we're going to look at calcium, iodine, zinc, iron, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and the all-important vitamin B12. Yes, that's right, these can all be sourced from a vegan diet, but some can be trickier than others. So let's dive into the world of vegan nutrition and explore how to get these important nutrients from a plant-based diet. First off, let's talk about calcium, a crucial nutrient for our bones and teeth. This mighty mineral does more than just give us a winning smile. It's essential for the normal functioning of muscles, nerves, and cells. Quite the multitasker, isn't it? Now the question is, where do we find calcium in a vegan diet? Fear not, it's not as elusive as you might think. Fortified plant milks, for instance, are a fantastic source of calcium. Whether you're a fan of almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk, they've got you covered. Then there's tofu, a versatile ingredient that can be used in a multitude of dishes. 100 grams of tofu can provide about a fifth of your daily calcium needs. Not bad for a humble block of bean curd, right? And of course, we can't forget about green leafy vegetables. Foods like kale, spinach, and broccoli are not only packed with calcium, but also with other nutrients that your body will thank you for. Now, as for the recommended daily intake of calcium, adults should aim for around 700 milligrams. That's equivalent to about 2 to 3 cups of fortified plant milk, or a good helping of tofu and green veggies. So it's clear that a vegan diet can provide all the calcium your body needs, if you choose your foods wisely. Next up, we have iodine, an essential nutrient for our thyroid function. This spunky little element plays a crucial role in supporting our metabolism and helping our bodies to efficiently use energy. Now you might be wondering, where can I find iodine in a plant-based diet? Well, fear not, because nature has you covered. Seaweed, for instance, is a source of iodine. It's like the ocean's gift to vegans. But remember, not all seaweed is created equal, nor is it equally iodine-rich, therefore making it a somewhat unreliable source of iodine. It is also recommended that we don't consume sea vegetables more than once a week. But here's the kicker, you need to strike a balance. Too little iodine and your thyroid throws a fit. Too much and it's equally unhappy. So if you are taking an iodine supplement, speak to a dietitian. Now, let's move on to zinc, iron, and vitamin D, 3 more essential nutrients. Zinc, a vital mineral, plays a significant role in our body. It's a key player in our immune function, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. It also supports normal growth and development during pregnancy, childhood, and adolescence. So where can you find zinc in a vegan diet? Well, beans, nuts, and seeds are fantastic sources. For instance, chickpeas, lentils, and almonds are all rich in zinc. And don't forget quinoa, that versatile grain that's actually a seed, is a zinc powerhouse. To increase zinc absorption, eat fermented soya such as tempeh and miso. Next up, iron. Iron is essential for our bodies to function properly. It's a crucial component of hemoglobin, the substance in red blood cells that carries oxygen from our lungs to the rest of our body. Without enough iron, our bodies can't produce enough healthy oxygen-carrying red blood cells, leading to iron deficiency anemia. But fear not, there are plenty of iron-rich foods in a vegan diet. Dried fruits, whole grains, nuts, green leafy vegetables, seeds, peas, beans, and lentils, as well as fortified cereals, are all excellent sources. And here's a tip. Combine these with foods high in vitamin C, like oranges or bell peppers, to enhance iron absorption. Then we have vitamin D. Often known as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is produced in your skin in response to sunlight. It helps our bodies absorb calcium, promoting bone and teeth health. It also supports our immune system. Now, sunlight is the best source, but in those darker months or for those living in less sunny climates, fortified foods can help. Many plant milks, breakfast cereals, and certain types of tofu are often fortified with vitamin D. As you see, getting enough zinc, iron, and vitamin D on a vegan diet is entirely doable. So don't let the myth of nutrient deficiency deter you from exploring the diverse and delicious world of veganism. Remember, a well-planned vegan diet can provide all the nutrients your body needs. Continuing with our journey through essential nutrients, let's dive into another critical one: long-chain omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, often simply referred to as omega-3. These fatty acids are crucial for brain health, inflammation reduction, and overall heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of fat that the body can't produce on its own, meaning we have to get them from our diet. Now, you might have heard that fish are the best source of omega-3 fatty acids. But what if you're following a vegan diet? No worries. There are plenty of plant-based sources. Flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and walnuts are all fantastic sources of ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Now, the body has to convert ALA into the active forms, EPA and DHA, and it doesn't do this very efficiently. That's where algae-based supplements can come in handy. They contain EPA and DHA directly, making them a very effective way for vegans to get these important nutrients. So, while it might take a little more effort to ensure you're getting enough omega-3 fatty acids on a vegan diet, it's certainly doable with a little planning and knowledge. Finally, let's tackle a nutrient that often concerns vegans: vitamin B12. This little powerhouse is crucial for our bodies. It helps make DNA, keeps our nerve cells happy, and plays a vital role in the production of red blood cells. While B12 is naturally found in animal products, it can be a bit tricky for those following a vegan diet. But don't fret, it's not a lost cause. The truth is, vitamin B12 is the only nutrient that you might not get enough of on a vegan diet. However, with a little planning and awareness, it can be easily managed. Fortified foods are a vegan's best friend when it comes to B12. You see, many plant-based foods are fortified with this essential nutrient. Think along the lines of plant-based milks, breakfast cereals, and even some types of bread. So by incorporating these into your meals, you can ensure you're getting a good dose of B12. But what if you're not a fan of fortified foods, or they're not easily available where you live? In that case, B12 supplements can come to the rescue. They're widely accessible, affordable, and can provide the necessary amount of B12 that your body needs. So while B12 is something to be mindful of, it's easy to manage with a little planning. So there you have it, a quick guide to getting essential nutrients on a vegan diet. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've covered today. We kicked off with calcium, highlighting that it's not just milk that's rich in this bone-strengthening nutrient. There are plenty of plant-based sources too. Foods like kale, broccoli, and fortified plant milks can all help you meet your daily calcium needs. Next, we moved on to iodine. It's a nutrient that's often overlooked, but it plays a critical role in our thyroid function and metabolism. Seaweed is a source of iodine in a vegan diet, but watch how much you are having. Then we tackled three big ones: zinc, iron, and vitamin D. These are nutrients that everyone needs, regardless of their diet. With a bit of planning and a varied diet, it's possible to get adequate amounts from plant-based sources. Think legumes for iron, seeds for zinc, and good old sunshine for vitamin D. And last but certainly not least, we discussed vitamin B12. It's a nutrient that's particularly important for vegans to pay attention to, as it's mainly found in animal products. But don't worry, there are plenty of fortified foods and supplements available to ensure you're getting enough. Throughout our discussion, we've emphasized the importance of a balanced, varied diet. Eating a range of different foods each day can help ensure you're getting a good mix of nutrients. But it's also crucial to remember that everyone's body is different. Regular checkups can help ensure your nutritional needs are being met and give you peace of mind that you're on the right track. Remember, a well-planned vegan diet can provide all the nutrients your body needs. So, eat the rainbow, enjoy your food, and live healthily. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.